Don't dull yourself on this, guys. You see, this video is well packed, like well packed, so packed on how to produce this effective toilet cleaner. And it's not only for your WC, you can use it for your tiles as well. You can see how dirty, I mean, how, like, if you say rotten, how rotten this toilet is, and you see this toilet cleaner, you see what is going to do, the justice is going to do to this toilet. All right, guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I produce this toilet cleaner, the chemicals that I used, and then the importance of these chemicals. You see, that's why I said this video is so packed, like it's full of a lot of packages. And of course, I shared how I sell this toilet cleaner, the price and the profits, the amount I got, the chemicals, the amount I sell my toilet cleaner, and then the calculation of the profit and all of that. So just make sure that you watch this video till the end. So like I said, this toilet cleaner is super effective, super effective. Yeah, the cost of the production, and even after I produced it, I'm going to be sharing you by the end of this video. So you guys can see the magic that this toilet cleaner did to this toilet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video. So you're going to be learning a lot.
Achieve a very quality toilet cleaner, you need this chemical. And you see, these chemicals, especially hydrochloric acid, is the most important. HCl is the most important. So we are going to be using, I'm going to be using 1 liter of this, and then 50 ml of this, 50 cl rather of this, that's half liter. And then of course we're going to be mixing the two surfactants together, and then be using our caustic soda as well. Caustic soda also serves to remove dirt from things. It helps in removing dirt, and you know the importance of caustic soda. And also sulfonic acid is also very important. So these are just the chemicals for toilet cleaner. Very simple. This is acidic color, and this is color blue. Right, this is color blue. It's also good. It's better than using the normal color. So you can't use the color that you use for liquid soup, this kind of color. You can't use it for this. So instead you get this acidic color, so that it's the acid will be able to, if you use this kind of color, it's not going to come out because of this acid. But if you use this, it's definitely going to come out well. So, and this is our perfume. So the best perfume is People. So this is People. So these are just the chemicals, and trust me, your toilet cleaner is going to come out well. So for this, this is for 5 liters, but I'm going to be making up to like 6 liters from this. So because of how effective I want it to be. So I didn't buy a thickener because it's expensive, so I can't afford to get the right thickener for this kind of production. So I just have to leave it like this. So this 5 liters cost me 9,500, I think. So this is for just 5 liters.
All right, guys, let's get started into the production. So this is my sulfonic acid and texapo. As you all know, you mix these two together for you to have an effective for you to come out well together. So the water I have here is about 5 liters, not up to 5 liters actually. So I'm just going to mix the acid with the water just to dilute the acid. So you can see that the acid is very it's acid now, so you guys can see how the smoke was coming out. So I've gone ahead to mix my caustic soda in a bowl of water, about not up to 1 liter of water. Then that is it. After it's already mixed and all that, so I added it bit by bit into my sulfonic acid and texapo. It's very easy to make, very easy to make. So you can see how hot, I mean very hot this is. So it was very hot, so I have to leave it for a while before I add it into my acid, the mixture of acid. So I came back after a while, and you can still see it's still very hot. So I'll leave it for about like 15 to 20 minutes. So, and yeah, it's already a little bit cold. I mean, not as hot as it was before. So all I'm just going to do is to add it bit by bit into the water here and mix it. That's just all. That's all. So it doesn't take much, doesn't take long time. I'm using one hand to film this video while I'm also using the other hand to make my video. So it's not that easy for me, but I hope you guys will try this out, and you're going to if you are doing it for business, you make sales from it, good sales from it. And if you're also doing it for your own use, trust me, this is something that you would really appreciate yourself doing. Yeah, you would really appreciate yourself doing. So it doesn't left guys out. Both male and female can make this toilet cleaner. So this is it. I left it for about a while. You can see it's not that thick. Yeah, it's not that thick because there is no thickener. The only thickener that is there is just my sulfonic acid. Sorry, it's just sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid also serves as thickener. For me, I think so. It works as thickener. So not thickener, but at least it will help your soap to become a little bit thick. So you can see what I did here. I just added small portion of water into that small bowl, added my color, and then I mixed it all together. Because of the effect of these chemicals, you know, they are strong chemicals. Even the color the color did not come out well. So I just added small color for my soap, the blue color for my soap. I just added it and said, okay, let me add it and see how it's going to look. And trust me, it came out well. It came out so well. But one thing I did was to mix it thoroughly. Like, I took my time to mix it, because at some point, if I left it for a while, then the color will start coming up. Like, it will start coming up. So I had to leave it and mix it thoroughly. And then lastly, I added my perfume and people. Then I went ahead to package my toilet cleaner, and this is how it looks. It's not that watery. It's a bit thick, and it's very, very effective. And that was the effect of the acid. So the hydrochloric acid is the major thing. Is a major chemical that this toilet cleaner really needs. And this is 500 ml. For me, I sell it for 2,000 naira, 2,200 naira. So, and I made about I think I made 11 to 12 bottles of this. Yeah, I made about 11 to 12 bottles. So you two can do the calculations to know how much you can make, how much profit you can make from this. But mind you, I'm still going to calculate my transport fare, my labor, and all of that. So the profit is not really much, but it's still okay. So it's better for you to give people quality rather than quantity, right? So it's better for you to sell faster, and you make your money on time, than you increasing the price, and you're not going to make your money on time. So this is just me trying to package it, as you can see. So sometimes you have to be careful with even the what's it called, the bottle, especially the cover. So okay, I hope you guys have learned one or two things from this my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow, help my channel grow. Thank you, and thank you. So I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question, if you have anything you want to ask me, you can put it in the comment section. I'm going to try my best to answer. So thank you for watching. So this is my outcome. So it's out for sale now. Bye y'all.